In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Stripe account to your website in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First things first, if you don't have a Stripe account yet, head over to stripe.com and sign up. It's free and super easy to set up. Once you're logged into Stripe, you'll want to create a product or plan if you haven't already. Just click on Products in the sidebar, then hit Add Product. Fill in the details about your product, set the pricing, and save it. You need this to accept payments. Next up, let's grab your API keys. Go to Developers and then API keys on the left sidebar. You'll see your publishable key and secret key. Copy these keys, as you'll need them to connect Stripe with your website. Now, depending on your website platform, the integration steps can vary. If you're using a CMS like WordPress, there are plugins like WooCommerce or Stripe Payments that make this super easy. Just install the plugin and enter your API keys in the plugin settings. If you're working with custom code, use Stripe's official libraries. They provide detailed documentation for JavaScript, PHP, and more. Lastly, test your integration. Stripe has a test mode, so you can run through the payment process without making real charges. Just make sure to toggle back to live mode when you're ready to go. And there you go, you've successfully connected your Stripe account to your website.